Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you've got AirPods and an Android phone, and you're wondering if they'll actually work together. Good news, they totally do, and I'm going to walk you through the whole process. Step 1. First thing you need to do is open the Settings app on your Android phone. Once you're in Settings, look for the Bluetooth option. This is usually near the top or under the connectivity section depending on your phone brand. Tap on Bluetooth to open those settings. Step 2. Now that you're in the Bluetooth menu, you'll see a toggle switch at the top. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on by tapping that switch if it's not already active. You should see it light up, and then your phone will start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices automatically. Step 3. Here's the important part. Take your AirPods out of the case and hold the button on the back of the case for about 15 seconds. You'll see a white light flashing on the case, which means they're in pairing mode. This is crucial because without this step, your phone won't find them. Step 4. Once your AirPods are in pairing mode, look at your phone's Bluetooth list, and you should see your AirPods pop up. Tap on them to connect. Your phone will show a message confirming the connection, and boom, you're paired. Step 5. After they're connected, test them out by playing some audio. Go to YouTube or Spotify, put on a song, and make sure the sound comes through your AirPods and not your phone's speaker. If it works, you're all set and ready to enjoy your music on the go.